is Nella D, the girl with the 411.
Hey, turn up.
Yeah, you already know what it is.
My girl Nella D always got the 411.
Baby, what up, dog? It's Young Steph. You know my homegirl, my little sis, Nella D, stay with the 411. Let's go.
Hey, Nella D, the only one in the 513 with the 411.
Anytime I want to know what's going on, I just call my girl Nella D to get the 411.
What up? It's King Kels on 101.1 The Wiz, the urban informant, and you're checking my girl Nella D, the girl the 411.
I'm in the 411 with Nella D. I'll let your girl. Let's go.
Hey, what's up, Joe? It's the 411 Uncut Podcast with Nella D. And this is brought to you by Timeless Recording Studios, and you can book right now at timelessrecordingstudios.com. And of course, I got my sis with me, my best friend, my roly, Miss Joyce So.
What up, y'all?
What's going on? How you been, boo?
Chilling. Busy weeks, man. We ain't went to sleep since we got back.
We be together every single day, handling business. We did the Sauce Dripping concert at Bogarts last week. It was so crazy. We got to interview a lot of artists that's been on 411 Uncut. We got all the footage, so that's going to be dropping real soon. Shout out to our boy, J Reed Photos. He gets everything for us. So you know what? If you need your video done, if you need some pictures, anything like that, hit up J Reed. You can hit me up personally and I'll get you in contact with him because he is that nigga.
That nigga.
But today on 411 Uncut, we have a very fully special guest in the building. Fully. Scally, what's up, nigga? What we doing? Hey, Scally, you know what? I've always been a fan of yours. I'm talking about before I started radio, when I was the regular club goer, you know what I'm saying, going to Thick With It Thursdays, going to Club 7. I was always like, damn, who is this? I think she like me now. That's how I knew about Scally. So I was like, damn. And I remember one time, you don't even remember, but I walked up to you at Thick With It Thursdays. I said, bro, I really like your song, man. You was so cool. You was like, thanks. This is when you had braids.
Oh, yeah. Just now get out that stage. Fully dreads now.
But I think, for me, do it feel like I think she liked me now was like that breaking point for you in Cincinnati?
Yeah, hell yeah. That was like one of my livest shits. Still to this goddamn day.
Still to this day, if people hear it, they gonna still rap every single word like it ain't nothing.
Right.
Now, do you think that song started out at Club 7 with DJ Smooth?
That's exactly where it started at. Smooth broke that motherfucker. Smooth breaking shit goddamn right now.
Right.
Break it. Yeah.
DJ Smooth, he breaks everything. And it seems like if he don't break it, other DJs might not pick up on it. Did you feel like that when it came to your music?
Not really, but it's just like when Smooth do that shit, it be big though. But other DJs done broke shit. Like,
then it broke stuff?
Like Slick Rick and shit. Like he fuck with me the long way.
Okay.
But yeah, when Smooth do that shit, it's on the floor. I swear to God.
That's when it's official.
Yeah, it's official.
For sure. So I want to know, like, I think she like me now. Man, that song was like you could kind of hear paper crumbling in the back. The audio.
Was it even mixed down?
Was it even mixed down?
I did that shit myself after hours in Fully World.
Hey, but you know what's so crazy was that it was so hot that back then, like, DJs didn't even care about the quality of the shit. That's how hot it was. A lot of artists can't do that, though. You hand a DJ some shit that ain't got no quality on it, they won't play it.
I'm telling you, I don't know what it was. That motherfucker was powerful. Bad motherfucker. I recorded it myself.
Wow.
I just walked. Yeah, that's why you hear the paper. I had to run in that motherfucker. Paper, read that motherfucker, run back out. That motherfucker made it to the club.
So have you always been like a rapper? Like growing up, did you always like music? Like what got you to where you was like, I want to get this, start really being a rapper?
Being high as fuck, a little ass kid. Me and my niggas beating on the walls and shit, doing anything. Then we start going to my nigga house. He bought a computer. And then we went to this shit, Elements. Shouts out to Elements. They the one really started me rapping for real, like rapping. But yeah, I've been doing it for a minute, but I wasn't always a rapper. But I've been rapping for a long time, though.
Okay. What was you before you was a rapper?
A little kid, just doing anything, running the fuck
just
around.
Being a badass.
Yeah, you already know.
Okay, well I know, like, so after I think she liked me now. I believe probably after that might have came out here, or am I tripping?
Or was it?
Nah,
this is for my.
We had so many songs,
Yeah.
though.
Yeah.
It was a whole lot of songs, but the one like in the clubs.
Yeah, the for the
like-
club per se, the big
yeah, it
big
was
ones.
out here. Next. I think
Now,
it was
out here became a fucking Cincinnati. Like, it's like every time you drop some stuff, now it's Cincinnati lingo.
Yeah.
I keep the lingo.
You keep
That's
the lingo here in Cincinnati popping.
Yeah.
Out here.
Because
Out here.
everybody was out here fucking out
It
here.
still is.
Oh, you hear me? We was on Facebook, out here, Twitter, anywhere you was gonna see that shit. Like,
Hashtag.
right,
Out
but
here.
that was enough. And you know what? For that song wasn't even like a song you gonna really jug to, but it was just so Cincinnati.
Man, that song say "fuck the club" and
You
they put
hear
that
me?
motherfucker in the club.
I know.
Yeah. You tell me, I don't know what the fuck be going on.
Say, how the fuck that happened?
Right.
Everybody in the
That's what I'm
club singing it word for word in the club,
In the
though.
club, talking
I don't
about
want to
fuck the
go
club.
there. I already been there. You can hit the club, go in there. Fuck the club. I'm out here. But everybody know that shit. Like, if you from, that's one thing. We used to say, like, you ain't from Cincinnati if you ain't out here. When people was starting those hashtags and shit on Twitter, like,
No,
Yeah, you ain't out here like
hashtag.
Scally and them, man. You
Yeah.
already know.
But how do that make you feel when you know, like, that you got classics? You know what I'm saying? That even people that was younger, you know, they probably weren't going out in 2009, 2010. But now that they know them songs today in the club.
Right.
Like, so how does that make you feel to know, like, damn, like, whatever I kind of do, my city just fuck with me.
Man, that shit made me keep going, try to get rich.
Right.
Like, that's why it made me feel great. Even when I'm feeling fucked up, I know I can just walk out my foot and be like, Foolie, yeah, drop
Right.
what the news, all that shit. Made me keep going for real.
Okay. So I know probably like after out here, maybe, you got to correct me if I'm wrong, you had went away for a little bit.
Like a year, yeah. I went to the joint for a year.
Yeah. So when you came out, I think that's when we got Boneyard Junkie.
Yeah, when
When
I
you came out. So my whole thing, like, when you left, was you kind of like, damn, like, when I get out, I gotta put some hot shit out. Like, I can't
Shit,
let up
man.
on niggas.
Cause nah, I was in the joint thinking about the joint. I wasn't even thinking about rapping. I was worried about what's going on in there. Then got out and just, adapted right back.
Do you care to explain, like, what happened and what led you to getting locked up?
Shit, fucking around in the streets, he's selling that stupid ass dope. Sir, the goddamn police.
Damn.
Took me down for a year. It wasn't nothing though.
Okay. But so do you feel like the music can kind of keep you out the streets?
The music is the streets. Ain't no way to stay out the streets. It's over. The streets we in the streets right now.
Right.
It's over. We ain't no way out the streets.
Okay.
So are you still a part of Team Millie? Is that still going on?
Yeah, like
what's-
Team Millie, like that's still a label, but my nigga who was running the label, my nigga Jules, Free Jules, he locked up and shit, so I made my a new label, Money Junkie,
Okay.
just to, keep something new going for real, but yeah, it's still Team Millie at the end of the day.
So it's still family, everything
Yeah,
straight.
everybody's still the same, it's just like we be changing the names, keep it
Right.
new for real, that's all.
Okay. So I want to talk about you getting out and coming up with this Boneyard Junkie shit. I was like, what the fuck is the Boneyard Junkie? What is this? Like,
And that was a bar, that's my nigga bar, K-Ball.
I was like, what is the Boneyard? What is it?
A drink for that bar. He wanted us to make a song, and that's it. And that
And it
shit
went
still
crazy.
going.
Now the thing was, the spot was in Clifton.
Yeah.
Right. What's the street called?
Right
right
across
there.
from that
That
laundromat.
laundromat.
Right
Yeah.
across from the laundromat. I guess it's I guess you would call it not Calhoun or
I forgot what street. It's off of
Shit.
Vine. I know that.
Yeah,
Across from
South
UC.
it's when
I
you going
forget
straight.
what the street-
Ludlow.
Ludlow.
That's what it's
shit,
called. It's
Ludlow.
called Ludlow. But it actually ended up burning down not too long after the
it
song.
ain't even there. You wouldn't even. It ain't even a building. There's grass right there. I don't know what the. You wouldn't be able to tell it was a boneyard right there.
So did you ever think that song? Because you had Superfed on that with you.
Yeah, my nigga Nuke Flame. Yeah.
Okay. So did you think that song about the drink was gonna take over every single club?
Hell nah, man.
You just be rapping.
Honest, I don't even like the damn song.
You don't like that
Tired
song?
of the song. It was supposed to bang. I don't know.
Well, you know what? When you performed it at Bogart's for the famous
Sauce-
Dex
yep,
concert,
Sauce
Sauce
Drippin'.
Drippin',
Yeah.
they
That was for the fans. They love it.
They was fucking it up.
went crazy.
Yeah,
Was you
they turned me
surprised?
up.
Was you surprised? Right? Were you
I was gonna
surprised?
just rap that motherfucker like, but shit, they got me up there dancing and everything.
You was like, well, shit, this how my week been.
Yeah, shit, hell yeah.
Turn the fuck up.
They like it, I love it, but
Yeah.
I don't listen to it or nothing. Like, you know, I got a lot of new shit going on, so I don't just play Boneyard Junkie.
Right. Well, I can agree that because I know that you got this live ass single out.
Man.
First time I heard it.
What we doing?
What we
Yeah.
doing? Listen, first time I heard it was definitely in Annie's on a Sunday. Smooth dropped it, I believe, and I was just like, he was like, this Scally new shit or whatever. We need to, you know, talk some shit or whatever, telling me what it is. Like, talk some shit on this shit. I'm like, all right, cool. But then when I heard it, I'm like, damn, I seen niggas turning up instantly.
Hell yeah.
You wasn't even in the building yet. I don't believe so. You weren't even there yet. And motherfuckers was turning up. I'm like, oh shit, what's going on? Okay, this must be some shit. Now, I have 4 girls request a song this past Sunday at Annie's. They kept asking, can you play What We Doing?
And they ran that shit back 4 times.
Can you play What We Doing?
What we doing?
Look, I did. Ran that shit
Now,
back
this song
4
was
times.
a freestyle, right? It wasn't like supposed to be like a single per se, was
I
it?
ain't drop it as no single. I just did a little freestyle.
Just to
I had
put something in the atmosphere.
Yeah, I had like 30 minutes left in my session. I'm like, damn, I want to went through a beat, freestyle that motherfucker. But look, I did the video the next day because I liked it.
Right.
So I came and did the video out of nowhere. I'm like, man, I'm about to do this video. Went to Annie's that night, but I ain't play it at Annie's, man. I posted a video. That motherfucker was going crazy.
Going
Sap.
dumb.
I'm like, damn. That's what's up. What we doing?
Right. So I know that this is a
I
big.
don't even know how Smooth got it. I ain't
You
even-
know how? He downloaded it off YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's
that's
how a
what
lot
they do.
of the DJs got it.
Yeah.
They
Then I
took-
came around and gave him the
Yeah.
version, like off the flash drive type shit. Yeah.
But I was like, cause I'm like, how you get this song? Cause remember, I kept bothering you. I said, where the song at? Can you put it on SoundCloud? Can you do? I can't find it.
I ain't know shit. I ain't know everybody wanted to.
You thought it was a game, huh?
Yeah, I'm like shit.
Nah.
It ain't no
Right
game.
now,
What we
that's
doing?
probably out of any record in Cincinnati, that's the most requested song in the club right now.
Yeah, that's what's
Right.
up.
That's the most. And just like I said, I can see from when I'm hosting, people keep coming, hey, tell them to play, tell the DJ to play, tell them, I'm like, damn, you go, how many of y'all go, hey, play this song before I smack
Run
you.
it back.
Run that bitch.
Right,
Run
run
it back.
it, man. They keep asking for it. Like, so when is we gonna get another Scally project?
Yes, we need one.
I got a tape coming out. What we doing? It's supposed to have been dropped, but I got a little technical difficulties. But it's about to drop in the next couple weeks or something.
Okay.
And that whole tape called "What We Doing Now," since that song's so
It's taking
big,
off, right.
Right.
I just based the tape around it.
That's the lingo now, though. So I think it's great because I be on the radio like, what we doing? Like,
we
you know what I
doing,
mean? Like,
man? Keep it
anytime,
going.
like, anytime somebody call me, Smooth just call me, what we doing? Like, you just got to say it. Like, now it's like the new Cincy lingo. We was out here.
Yergy.
Yergy.
All that.
yeah,
Look.
you know,
Yes.
all type of shit.
You took
man.
the yer. I think we knew about Yergy before you started like really putting on the songs, but you made it go to another fucking
Viral.
level.
It
Yes.
went viral, man. Everything I do
Yergy.
viral, man.
Everything. But so for this project, is you gonna have any like other artists from the city on it?
Nah, I got some artists from the city on my big project. This is like just a little warm up, you know what I mean, to my big project, Foolie World. I got artists on there like SB Cookie, a couple
Okay.
other motherfuckers. I can't really think, but yeah, I got artists on that.
Okay.
I think I only got like 2 artists from the city on the What We Doing. That's the girl Dimples. People ain't really hip to her, but they gonna be hip after this.
She rap or she
She
sing?
sing.
Okay.
And then I got like Jose Guapo. Them the only 2 features I got on there.
Okay. So this gonna be this mini project gonna be lit. Now, if you better hurry up and put it out, or I'm gonna be upset.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, 'cause we've been waiting.
We've been waiting
patiently.
I got 2 tapes done. I really got like 3, but I got 2 tapes already ready to go. Like,
Now I want to talk. Like, I feel like out of all the artists here, like you really can say you one of the main artists that's popping from Cincinnati. Like, period. That's
Right.
you are. And I still see you in the clubs working your records, making sure you come out to support DJs and stuff. A lot of artists don't do that. You know, they feel like, yeah, I'm already, you know, I know they gonna play my record. I ain't gotta come out.
yeah, they tripping.
So do you make a point to go to the clubs?
Yeah, I'm gonna tell y'all. Once I get in Foolie World, once I'm out of the motherfucker, I'm going out. It don't fucking matter.
Period.
slash working, so it just all work hand in hand, man.
Right, so it all come together.
Yeah, because I'm going straight to the DJ booth when I walk in.
If I see you, I'll shout you out. You ain't got to walk over there.
I'm coming. Just
Right.
to let them know, like I'm
what's
here,
up?
what we doing. And then, you know, I'm going to go party. Make sure, I party with the people when they play my shit, let them.
Right. Now, would you suggest that other artists do that? Because I feel like
I don't give a fuck what they do.
Jesus Christ. But I'm just saying because you are artist that a lot of upcoming artists look up to, whether you want to
fuck with all the artists,
Yeah.
but I ain't got no advice for them right now. I ain't nowhere. You hear me?
He said I ain't got no advice for their ass right now.
Till I get where I gotta go, man, you gotta do you. That's all I can tell you, because I don't know what the fuck to do.
Right.
I'm doing me.
So where you think we can see Scally in like the next 5 years?
In Fully World, rich in the motherfucker, some motherfucking word, man.
Just
Torn,
turn.
man, on tour somewhere.
Now-
Real talk, I'm working.
What's up with this Fully shit? You know, this came out of nowhere. Next thing
that's
I
what
see,
they doing now. Everybody saying Fully now too. Everybody Fully. You hear me?
yeah, they is. You a trendsetter. Gotta say
You
that.
are.
You a trendsetter. But what's up? What's up with where you get this whole Fully stuff from?
I couldn't even tell you, man. I be so motherfucking high. I'm just be talking and some shit stick. I'm fully stuck. Now I'm
Fully stuck. Now you fully stuck. Oh my
stuck with
God.
the Fully. It's over.
Okay. Well, you know what, Scally? I'm glad you came out today. Joyce, did you have anything else you want to talk to Scally about?
So how are you balancing everything out being a father?
Shit.
His babies be on stage with him.
Yeah.
You know
turn.
what we doing? We gotta do this shit. This shit hard. We gonna still make it work, you know? Mm-hmm. Shouts out to my 3 babies, too.
Nah, they be getting it.
Yeah, you
Yes.
already know, man.
They- you
your
got
cheerleaders.
But
You got your own little dance team.
yeah, it's on now. I ain't even know they was turned like that. They was back. I mean, I been knew they was
Cause you
turned.
had them on stage at Bogarts for the South Drippin' concert, and they
Yeah.
was getting it. They dabbing, hitting them folks, everything.
They was my hype girls, man. They was turned my Fully girls.
Now, do they feel like Daddy is a celebrity?
Yeah, they do. They like, they think I'm goddamn Jeezy or somebody.
Really?
Yeah.
That gotta feel good though.
Yeah, that's live.
Okay then.
And some people, they probably don't even like they shit. Like, man, I don't know what you talking
Daddy,
about.
this whack. Daddy, turn this
Young
off.
Thug. Look,
Right. But you know what? How old are your kids?
My oldest is 10. Then I got a 7-year-old and one about to be 6 on the 20th.
Okay. Now, do you think they kind of keep you young though and keep you hip?
Yeah, they keep me turned. Man, I'm telling you. I don't know how motherfuckers don't fuck with their kids, because, man, that shit live.
Yeah, that's what's up.
That is what's
I got
up.
girls. I don't got no boys, and that shit still be live.
Now, you gonna be the strict daddy that they don't let them do nothing?
We gonna do what it do, man. We gonna go as the situations popped up. They pop up, you know. I ain't even gonna stress all that.
You ain't gonna
other
stress
shit.
it.
Well, happy early Father's Day.
Yeah, I appreciate it. Fully Father's
And I
Day.
done seen you out with your kids a lot though. I seen you any concert they have here for the kids, whatever. You make sure your baby's there and they
there.
always fresh.
Oh yeah, for sure, man. We got to do it the right way. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
All right. Well, you know what? I'm glad you came through, Scally. Finally, because
Yes.
I was on your
I'm mad
ass.
as hell, y'all. My bad.
I was on your ass. I'm like, man, if this nigga don't come on, we got work to do.
Shouts out to my brothers for getting me here. Chill out, smoke dog.
Hey, tell them where they can follow you at on Instagram and Twitter, Snapchat.
I'm on IG, Scally_Fulio, Facebook, Scally Fulio, Snapchat, Scally Fulio, Twitter, Scally Fulio, at Scally Fulio, everything.
And when or what we doing project coming out? When can we? In the next 2 weeks,
Probably,
maybe.
Give me like a week or 2, man, because the DJs got my tape and they sending it back, but it's done. When they get it in my hands, it's going to be out like a week from that, man.
All right, and where is it gonna be at? Far as
On
in?
every site, Spinrilla, all that shit, iTunes,
Okay.
my mixtapes, live mixtapes.
Good, cause I'm an Apple Music user.
Yeah,
so
yeah, we gonna have
anytime
it on
I can
iTunes
get,
for sure.
anytime something on iTunes and I can get to it is perfect. Well, thank you so much. You can follow us on Instagram, Twitter at 411 Uncut. Also, make sure you like our Facebook page, 411 Uncut Podcast. And if you would like to advertise your song, your party, any event, business, anything like that on 411 Uncut, please contact us at 411 Uncut at gmail.com. Joyce, put your IG and Twitter out
Miss
there.
Joyce O. Yeah.
All right. And you can hit me up. I'm at Nella_D513. That's Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all that. Hit me up, man. So guess what? Scally, we appreciate you coming through, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, what we doing?
What we doing?
Yee.
Yee. Until next time, baby, it's 411 Uncut.
Adios.